pick up one end with a dump truck, give it the old wiggle.
All right, so we just got to Short Bus's house. He said that he has a lift because my double Cardan seems to have way too much play, as if it's eating itself to death. So we need to lift up the Jeep body and frame to droop out the suspension, so that way we can check the double Cardan angle. So he supposedly has a lift. I have now not seen this lift, but he says he's got one, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's see what he's got.
What's up, buddy?
Where is this so-called lift, dude? You don't even have enough room for a lift in here.
Oh, it's out in the yard. You've seen it.
I have not.
Yeah, you have.
I have not.
It's right there. You've seen it a bunch of times.
Dude, that dump truck don't have forks, dude.
It's got a hydraulic ram. We can figure it out somehow. I picked the dump bed up. I'm gonna bring the back of the bed down. Hook a strap to the back of the bed. Put the bed all the way up in the air. Hook a strap to the back of the Jeep. Set the bed down and we'll pick the Jeep up. That bed probably weighs like 10,000 pounds. The back of the Jeep weighs less than 2. It has to work.
This is so not gonna work.
Dude, it's gonna work.
It's so not gonna work that it just might.
What do we got to lose? Let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot. This here is what we call the redneck Jeep lift. And you have a buddy that lives down the street that has a dump truck that could also be used for a Jeep lift, so that way you can check why your double Cardan in the rear is deciding to explode, because it's probably stretching out too much. We didn't want to use too high lifts, we're too lazy and stuff, so we're using that. We'll see how it works out.
Too distracted to be filming right now. Hey! Shit, that's gonna work, Bob. Dude. You're smarter than I look.
D-ring, right? Oh,
yeah, I got part of it.
What's the other part?
Stick it in your floozy. That's out down there on the floor. He's gonna come and get me. It's like perfect. Come on back. Yep. Where's park on them their sticks?
Well, we got the front part, and then out back front part.
You got a front park and a back park, and you park your ass in the seat and you wheel it. Boy, howdy. I probably touched something like a doofus. Dude, that's way better. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, we're picking her up now.
Who's that?
It's right in front of your face.
Oh,
good thing it wasn't a snake. And anybody that hears the air leak, it's just my leveling valve on the dump truck. They're cheapo pieces of junk from Napa. They go bad in like 3 months. That's my 5th one.
Jim, but did it work?
Oh yeah, I'd say.
Oh, that's how you droop her out without using high lifts.
No, we have the high lift. It's just made by Peterbilt. Yeah. You just pick up one end with a dump truck, give it the old wiggle. Rock the boat, don't tip the boat over. So when he goes from forward to reverse and throttle to no throttle, that CV clunks hard, and you can hear it. The tires are just barely touching the ground, and it's creating drag and no drag, and that CV is just going to clunky clunk. Probably wondering why we picked the Jeep up with a dump truck. Got a little clunky going on in there. So when the Atlas went in to replace the 231, it got raised up about maybe an inch, and it changed the angle of the driveline. And it's got just enough bind in it where it's eating itself out. It like self-clearanced, and that gave it a little clunker. So we picked the Jeep up all the way till the shocks extended all the way out to full droop, and the CV is not binding. So we know that it's not at a super extreme angle. It's just enough to where it's going to slowly eat itself apart. And the fix for that is you can get a high angle CV that gives you 8 more degrees, which is probably what we're going to do here, because this isn't more than 8 degrees over what it hurt it, I guess. Or you can put limit straps, which would probably go, from the body mounts, down to the link mounts. And to check where you need to put your rear axle droop down, you unbolt your lower U-joint, pull it out, and you want it to be able to go an inch down below the yoke and spin it freely at full droop, so that you have a safety net there in case something does happen and your shocks extend farther or anything like that, so your U-joint can be down an extra inch and still have clearance, so it's safe. I got pooped. Tastes like motorcraft grease. It's a Ford thing, you don't understand. So you can see where the transfer case and the transmission are actually tucked up higher than it would be stock, and that's causing the driveline angle issues. If you look underneath the Jeep, she got the old flat belly McTummy tuck, and yeah, you pick them up that high and you're gonna have a little bit of driveline problems. The wheelbase is stretched, 116 inches total, so it's stretched pretty good. That helps with the driveline angle. And then if you have a little issue with your regular CV and you can gain a couple degrees by going with a high angle one, good to go.
All right, so we went ahead and we used Short Bus's professional mechanical lift that he just installed, that he's always had, and we found out that my double cardan angle is good to go. It's just when we put that Atlas in there, the angle has been pushed up now to where it's wearing out my double cardan. It's not actually breaking it. So I'm going to go ahead and order tonight a high angle double cardan. I'm going to go ahead and get that installed, and I don't have to do anything else. So I don't need any limiting straps or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and get that done as soon as possible. And what else? Yeah, we used the lift. We got everything going, and I just want to make sure you guys understand that, like, if us dummies can do it, you can do it.
Oh yeah, we were like, we don't want to pick it up with a freaking high lift. Those things are sketchy. I wear flip-flops. I don't wear safety shoes. Oh God, flip-flop problems. So just be innovative. Ask a friend, call somebody. You can do anything that you want to do. You don't have to have the right tools. Do the right thing the wrong way. Don't try it at home.
Right way, the wrong way. Just remember, there's no wrong way as long as it's safe and you get it done. All right, see you guys later. It's a double cardan.
Sound like you said double card dangle the last time.
Car dangle, thingamabobber, double dangle. It's all the same. Who cares?